All right, end of day 4, for me at least. Got back up in the air, got the harness all buttoned in up top. Like I said earlier, I'm waiting on overnighted the proper fuel injection harness. Have to have that in tomorrow morning. We got to get we got the transmission lines ran, -6 A and N lines. Got some 90 fittings up here. Ran through here, we'll get some straps on it. And then we got to get 2 more 90 fittings for the radiator side and 2 3/8 MPT fittings to change over to -6. Got the exhaust kind of buttoned up, got the O2 sensor in. Got some plugs in, 18 mil by 1.5. Got both those plugged up. Change the fuel filter. Transmission harness kind of snapped in place, not looking too bad. Andrew is working night shift. He's about to convert our 4L60E into a temporary 4L80E cross member. I ordered the wrong one, and hopefully it'll be here by Friday. Thursday night? Well, actually, Thursday morning, 1 a.m. It's got to be at the dyno Saturday morning at noon. So tomorrow, Andrew's sleeping in. I'm gonna go out and get some parts. Do a little bit of work, hang out with old lady for a little bit, come back when he wakes up, and finish up, man. Put some fluid in, put some oil in it, and get this thing fired up. Day 5, we got a few little things buttoned up. We got our fuel injection harness in from Summit Racing, overnighted. Andrew got the crossover member converted to 4L80E. We'll get it back up in there in a little bit. We're gonna try to get these transmission lines rigged up, something going on there. Get some fluids in this thing and probably start it up. Got the harness snapped on. Look at that. Fuel injection harness. Now I'm about to put some oil in this thing. Come on. Cross member turned out fine. All Andrew did was took the 4L60E, same cross member, cut the brackets off, flipped it around, welded it. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that other than it's dirty. We're in the truck. We got some lights on. About to go through the book. Oil pressure's good. What temp pressure? Huh? I'm using my temp pressure, the new one or the old one? Monitor.
Should be new one.
Gauges. That's one. Using this temp. needs a fuel pump. I'm about to need some gas.
Huh?
I'm about to need some gas in it.
So if I could be able to drive it.
Brought over here to All In Garage. My buddy Matt ended up having to, my fuel was cutting off. So put a pump in it, and we ended up having to splice into the input. We were losing it for some reason from the stock ECM. So we just got a little splice in there. Got it triggered hot all the time with auxiliary. So she's running good, running real good.